What is going on, guys? Today in this video, I'm trying to play some Black Ops. Haven't touched Black Ops in like probably 10 years. Has it been out for 10 years? I couldn't tell you. But look at that disc. Just look at all the, oh my gosh, mamma mia. That just, yeah, we tried playing it and it was absolutely destroyed. And, I got a banana upstairs and I've done this video before, but have I done it with a banana? No. So let's get right on into it. I'm going to make this disc playable using just a banana. Like, look at that destruction. To the kitchen we go. Today, guys, I'm going to be coming at you with how to fix a disc with a banana. Doesn't need to be a good banana. This banana's seen better days. But first things first, you get a banana. It's obvious. Most people will have a banana. I am actually allergic to bananas. So this is my daughter's banana. But it is, it's been through the ringer. Let's get right on into it. First things first, when you peel the banana, save the peel like that. You got a banana. I can't eat this or I will get very sick. But how you go about this is you just take about half the banana and you got your disc. See, and we're gonna get right on it. And it's as simple as just taking your disc, taking your banana. You remember the circular motion from the toothpaste fix. Got the old school RuneScape t-shirt on. I gotta say that before I get some comments about it. But it's a great t-shirt. Yeah, just go in circles. Just circles. You're just gonna be losing banana as the time goes on. Chunky. Yeah, I don't know what it is about bananas, but trust me, man, this is a way to fix discs. I'm not even playing around. I don't want to hear no cap. There's gonna be -1 cap. Look at that. Tasty. If you had a monkey, man, they'd be sitting right on over your shoulder watching this. Like that schmear. I got this. I got banana all over the place. Banana all over my fingers. Just keep going. Keep going. And you see, just put that down somewhere. Now grab the peel. Grab the peel. Fold it over like this. You just got the peel. Do the same thing with the peel, and you just work that banana. This is a little chunkier because it's an older banana, but newer banana gonna be a little bit less chunky. Just chunk it all around. Some good stuff. Good stuff. Wish I could eat bananas, but I can't eat bananas. But you just use that peel, and you just give it to the disc. Oh man, you just do this as long as you want. Like, I don't know if you're like fiending to play the game. If you're fiending, sit here for 20 minutes and just rub banana all over the place. Use the whole banana. Why not? I only used a quarter of the banana. Use the whole thing. Sit here all day and do it. I don't know, man. Do whatever you want. Oh man, get a little. I can already see the disc is looking very, 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 very clean. Very, very, very clean. I'd say I'd eat off of it, but I can't eat off of it. But that's enough. I'm not gonna go all day. Got a banana peel, throw it on the ground, make somebody slip on it. But I'm gonna go rinse this off. You can put it right back in your disc tray if you want, but you're probably gonna ruin your Xbox. Take that as a joke. Please don't put this into your Xbox. You will ruin your Xbox disc tray. I'm gonna go clean this one off real quick. We all know how to clean off a disc in the sink. You can do it. You can do it. Don't worry about it. You don't need me to show you how to do it. You got it. Alrighty, guys, and I'm coming to you from my basement. We have a looking a lot crispier Black Ops 1, all thanks to a banana. Like, if you don't think this works, try a banana. If this doesn't work, try the toothpaste fix I have on the channel. Put it in the description below. Yeah. Wow, you can see me. You can see a kid thing. But it's looking a lot better. And I swear if I put this in the disc tray and it doesn't work. Oh, didn't put it in there correctly. Whoa, almost ruined it completely. We got it in the disc tray. And, no way. Thank you, banana. Whoa, that's probably the good old ear, ripperoonie for anybody with headphones, but look at that. We can go play some zombies solo and end it on my favorite map to Reese. There it is. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed. Like the video, comment something, subscribe. I'll see you next time.